endocrinology system is as fascinating as it is complex and intricate. Even more interesting is the entire progress of the human pregnancy. Different hormones regulate the mother's internal environment, while others help regulate the development of the fetus until childbirth. For our endocrinology class, our group, Team Beta, explored the specific pregnancy-induced hormones that directly affect the mother alone. Many other hormones are involved in the advancement of the fetus through gestation. However, our research focuses on the most prominent hormones that contribute to the mother's progress while she carries her child.
Human chorionic gonadotropin, also known as HCG, is a hormone found in women only during pregnancy. It is first produced by the cells that make up the placenta during pregnancy, and later by the placenta itself. A pregnant woman produces enormous quantities of HCG, which can be detected in the urine and in the blood. The primary functions of HCG are to support the pregnancy by ensuring the continual production of progesterone and aid in the breakdown of stored triglycerides to provide nutrients to the fetus. This supports and promotes the further development of the placenta early in pregnancy. Production of HCG diminishes once the placenta is mature enough to take over progesterone and estrogen production. In addition, pregnancy is confirmed through either a urine test or blood work, as both are the only methods for detecting HCG. Our visual aid here shows HCG, symbolized by the pink heart, being produced by solely the placenta as it is released in high doses in the maternal bloodstream and urine. It also helps to protect the fetus from the mother's immune system.
During pregnancy, the placenta is the main source of progesterone. Initially, progesterone originates from the corpus luteum until the corpus luteum degenerates. HCG will signal the corpus luteum to continue progesterone secretion in order to maintain a thick lining of the uterus, so that it may provide an area sufficient enough with blood vessels in which a zygote can successively develop. The role of progesterone production then shifts to the placenta after approximately 6 or 7 weeks. Progesterone released from the placenta travels to the breast tissue where it inhibits lactation until after childbirth. The fall in progesterone levels after the mother gives birth triggers the process of milk production. The fall in progesterone levels is also the trigger for many other hormones directly related to pituitarian to take effect when the mother is ready. Progesterone is shown in purple on our collage, where it is produced and released from the placenta and travel towards the breast tissue, where its inhibitory effects takes place.
Estrogen production in the circulation increases significantly during gestation. This hormone is believed to promote mammary gland development, affecting breast size in preparation for lactation. In the first weeks of pregnancy, estrone, a form of estrogen, initially comes from the ovaries. Later in time is the placenta responsible for secreting higher concentrations of estrone. Estrogen and progesterone work hand in hand. However, estrogen's main functions are relative for the fetus. Its contributions to the mother is limited.
Relaxin is produced by the placenta, and while it doesn't play a gigantic role in pregnancy, its importance comes at the very end, wherein relaxin softens the pubic symphysis and allows it to spread and widen when the baby is expelled, i.e. birth.
Prolactin is a hormone best known for its contribution to lactation in pregnancy. It is produced in the pituitary, decidua, and or the breasts of the pregnant mother. Prolactin is also known to stimulate the mammary glands in order to produce milk. Increasing concentrations of the hormone is a cause of the enlargement of the mammary glands of the breast, as well as estrogen, as said before. Only after the fall of progesterone hormone levels and the presence of an external stimuli, such as suckling by the baby, does lactation finally occur. Prolactin is here shown in green on our pregnant Jane Doe. We try to convey the release of the hormone by both the pituitary and the breast tissue.
Last but not least, our collage attempts to depict oxytocin's role in a pregnancy. Oxytocin's role is evident only during childbirth and after. However, because our collage pertains to hormones directly affecting the mother, and only the mother, we have focused on childbirth. Oxytocin is released by the pituitary gland and has a direct uterine contraction action. Oxytocin is inhibited by the progesterone all along the pregnancy. The hormone levels gradually increase as gestation progresses. The presence of high oxytocin levels due to the lack of inhibition created by progesterone spark the onset of uterine contraction. It is not clear, however, if oxytocin is actually in the initiation factor of labor. It is theorized that oxytocin stimulates the smooth muscle cells of the uterus, resulting in a contraction and eventually expulsion of the fetus. Oxytocin, shown in blue, travels from the pituitary to the uterine lining, where its actions will facilitate the onset of labor.